Yeah, this has the, look at the nice metal they used around the sides. It's nice and wrapped real nice, and it has a standing seam, and that it looks like the right standing seam profile. I like the snap locks. I guess that's what we've been using for solar. And then just angle it about this same pitch. This is about, it looks like about 14-degree pitch. Yeah, I like the beams, but this is what we could build for you in the backyard, and I wanted to make this video for you. It's very nice. It's tongue and groove. You wouldn't have to do tongue and groove cedar. And it looks like the span is 4 foot on center, the beams. The tongue and groove's kind of like a lot of money though. This type of cedar's not cheap to install. Just wanted to add one more thing. Somebody pointed out to me that I don't want to discourage you on the materials. This is some of the nicest materials there are, with cedar and heavy duty post and tongue and groove. But this would be like the Cadillac system of, even a better system could be aluminum racking, which would last even longer. There's many different types of materials we could use for the patio cover, depending on what you're looking at in your budget, and maybe what your how you like how it to fit with your house.